Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Stocks were on the rise Friday with the S&P 500 bouncing from a 7-week low. The rise has been led mostly by the technology sector, as you can see in the Nasdaq gaining over 1.5% this morning. It also seems that anxiety over the potential interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve as early as next month is starting to wane a bit, but that may be premature. As sales of existing U.S. homes rose more than expected in April, suggesting the economy continues to gather pace during the second quarter. The National Association of REALTORS said on Friday that existing home sales increased 1.7% to an annual rate of 5.45 million units. They also adjusted March's sales pace slightly higher to 5.36 million units from the previously reported 5.33 million units. And with that, let's get into the markets and see where we're headed today. As you can see, this we'll start with the S&P 500 as usual. Currently trading at 2,054.67 today. Currently up 0.72%. Chart analysis score still a negative 60 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch next week for a new green weekly trade triangle will be the 2,084 level. If we get over the 2,084 level, we will issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating an entry into a long position for the S&P 500. We'll move along to the Dow Jones. Currently trading at 17,537, up 0.58%, a little over half a percentage point today. Currently, chart analysis scored negative 60, still with a monthly green trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. A key level to watch for the Dow next week will be 17,934. 17,934. If we get above that level, we will issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating an entry into a long position for the Dow. Moving along to the Nasdaq, the by far the leader today, issuing a new green daily trade triangle there, indicating a new 3-day high. Currently trading at 4,773 level, up currently 1.3%, backed off its session highs a little bit. Currently, chart analysis score of a plus 55, indicating a true sidelines position. Monthly green trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. A key level to watch for the Nasdaq next week will be 4,821. If we get above that, 4,821, we will issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move into a long position for the Nasdaq. Moving along, gold's still coming under pressure from a rise of the U.S. dollar. Chart analysis score currently trading at 1,249.32, down almost half a percentage point today at 0.44%. Currently, we still have a monthly green trade triangle. Long-term trend is up. Green weekly trade triangle and a red daily trade triangle. Now, with it being around this level, a key level to watch next week will be 1,244, and I'll give you the exact 42. So 1,244.42. If we get to that level either this afternoon or early on trading on Sunday when the futures market open up, we will issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a entry into a short position based on a red weekly and a red daily trade triangle. So key level to watch, 1,244.42 for a red weekly trade triangle on gold. Moving along to the dollar. See, dollar still, we issued that green weekly trade triangle on Wednesday, still moving up today, currently trading at 95.41, up 0.14%. Not a huge gain today, but nonetheless still up for the week. It's currently chart analysis score at plus 70 with a green weekly trade triangle green daily trade triangle, and the overall monthly trade triangle is red. We're still got a ways to go for the green monthly trade triangle to trigger. So I'll give you a key level to watch for the dollar next week would be 91.88. Dollar should move below 91.88. We'll get a red weekly trade triangle re-entering a short position on the dollar, 91.88. And finishing up with crude oil. Crude oil's kind of topping a little bit here. Currently trading 48.65, pretty flat from its open today. Currently trading flat. Chart analysis score still plus 100. All three trade triangles are green, meaning go for a long position. Key level to watch for crude oil next week will be 47.26. If crude oil moves below 47.26, we'll issue a red daily trade triangle signaling a move to the sidelines position for crude oil. So key level to watch 47.26. With that, we'll wrap up the weekend. Everybody have a good weekend. We'll talk to you on Monday.